Paul, is this everything you wanted for your birthday?
Yes, it is, sir.
All right. We're gonna make it work though. All about that sizzle. All about the sizzle. You put those onions and peppers on anything and it'll taste good. Just
Oh, yeah.
bologna? Maybe. Loose on both sides. What's that? You just empty the cup over here too.
Oh, how we doing?
Yeah. Oh yeah, this one gets both.
Yeah, we've only had issues with the left side on ours.
Of course, you want to be extra careful operating electrical appliances in a leaky camper. Not that a bushwhacker would leak. Of course not. No. This will be the first one ever. State park approved. Maybe. Probably not. No way. Of course, you keep it in that little black bag. That way it's just lemonade. Our secret. Take this with us. Good thing is it's raining, so no rangers are out. Not that they would say anything about a fellow with a pitcher of lemonade. I would never violate any rules at a state park. Never. No way, Jose. All right. The nice thing is it's starting to let up a little bit just in time. Come on. No, it's state park approved. This is just lemonade.
Yeah, babe, it's lemonade.
You look so dry.
I am. I didn't even get wet.
Somebody hold the lid for me.
Oh, you learned. You
I
learned.
do learn.
Wow. At Roland's expense. That poor guy got a bath. Oh, no, he got a bath.
Anyone else want some
The
right
guy
now?
that doesn't like to get dirty.
I didn't bring stuff.
All right, it's good to go. Dude, happy birthday, Paul. We love you, brother. Would expect nothing less than being out here playing around in the rain, because that's what we do. Man, what an awesome group of folks. Let's go chow down.
Happy birthday to you. Is she gonna hold it? Happy birthday to you. Blow it out, babe. She's holding it. Happy birthday to you.
You did those messed up ones.
Hold on, I'm gonna do that hot tour. To all of y'all good folks.
And here's the card flow.
Aw, you're so sweet.
Hold on. Miss.
There you go. There's something in your eye.
Oh my goodness.
I didn't put a hanger on there, but
What is it? Let me see. What does it say? Let me see.
it says welcome to my dungeon.
Turn it around for the picture. Turn it around.
Welcome to my dungeon. Yeah,
Oh,
it
it
is
is,
D20.
it is,
Yeah, it
it
is. Welcome to my dungeon. Roll for initiative.
How cute.
You'll have more.
Yeah, he will. What you get, babe?
Oh, I know what that is.
We know what that is.
I'm gonna get in trouble with this.
Uh-oh.
You're gonna have to control me.
Uh-oh. I already have hard enough time.
I know.
I might have some stuff that'll let that charge that up.
Hey, Miss Jen's cake.
Oh, broke my son.
Amazing.
I didn't know that April. She's with. Did you met her?
Winerita. Uh-huh.
You wouldn't know.
Winerita working?
Well, there was a winerita.
Or was a Winerita?
There will be.
There's a little wine. I see a little Rita.
He's nice though. He's like not in his
I have no idea how old he is. Isn't she like my age? She's our age.
There it is.
Oh, there it is. Gorgeous.
That's a nice finish for the day.
Beautiful finish.
2 hours ago, monsoon. Now you got the most beautiful sunset you can almost ever find. Oh yeah, got that window of opportunity here before it starts dumping rain again. So roof nesters got their roof down. It's coming. We're gonna take a quick walk. Scout wants to go explore just a little bit. Shake it off, buddy, shake it off. It's all right. And then we're gonna get hitched up and get on out of here. Much as I'd like to stay, got things to do, you know. You know how it goes. Let's go take this trail over here. How about this? Those concrete trails. Did you catch that, huh? Oh, Scout. Scout's on the prowl. Get that little cottontail. Yeah, that was worth the trip, huh? Happy dog. Scout, you better find you a bathroom pretty quick. I'm telling you, we are minutes away from getting dumped on. Yep, already. Drop. Well, buddy, you're not gonna find that rabbit, so I think how about we take a little ride over here, just lock up the hitch and go. So it is kind of cool they got these concrete trails, you know, connecting the campsites to the bathrooms. That's pretty nice. So, man, oh man, we kind of set up easy last night. I did unhitch just to get it leveled up a little bit, but didn't move the truck, so it's going to be a breeze to hitch up if I don't keep lollygagging and get her done, because trouble's coming. Maybe we go find us something to eat on the way, buddy. Go get some breakfast. Starving. Oh yeah, Misty. Time for her to get hitched up. Yeah, there we go. Potty time. Little Scout, she's turned out to be such a great little camping dog. She really would like it if you hit that subscribe button and watch her next week too. Really all about her. We're just along for the ride. Someone's got to drive. She don't have thumbs, so she can't really operate the steering wheel. Come on. Come on. Oh, yeah, you found the water, didn't you? Hopefully it's just water. Okay. Yep. We waited too long, didn't we, Scout? Too much goofing around. Come on. Alrighty. Alright, let's conclude this weekend, man. Looking all too familiar. See you down the road.